John Wall making his return from injury with perfect timing right before the playoffs. He's got a few games to get back into rhythm. He had a double-double tonight, 15 points, 14 assists, and the Wizards have clinched a playoff berth, the 4th time in 5 seasons. The Wizards, they've been playing pretty good without him. They've been hanging in there, so hopefully he steps in and just takes them to the next level. It'll be interesting in the playoffs. What a dime right there to Bradley Beal, one-handed with the force. More playmaking, more dime dropping into the corner. He looks like he hasn't missed too much time. He doesn't really look that rusty. He's playing great. Slashing, attacking. If the standings stay the way they are now, the Wizards could be going up against the Cavs. Gortat throws down the slam. Defense is being played. We're going the other way. John Wall, he's looking. He's going to scoop it over to Otto Porter for the splash. Wall is smiling. He's having fun in his debut coming back. He looks ready to go. Lob pass from Kemba. And the Hornets, unfortunately, with this loss tonight, they have been eliminated from the playoffs, even if they win the rest of the games. They tried to make a late push, but it was too little, too late this season. Back to the clinch he goes. He likes the clinch, and he's going down to the ground. He's got good ground ratings too, but so does Moses. I'm not scared. Oh, he's going for a submission. He's trying to submit Moses. Oh my goodness, I'm out of there though. Come on, cuz.